How to multiply numbers in Excel. As a tabular display, Excel is the most popular for financial statements. In finance, there is often an operation that needs to be performed. Today, we will cover the topic of how to multiply numbers in Excel. First of all, open the table you want. I have this table. As you can see, I can multiply these numbers and just give the result. But on tables that have many entries, this would take us too much time. That is why we will write a small formula. Select the first field in the table. After that, type the equal sign. This is a signal to Excel that we want to write a formula. After that, click on the field that contains the first number that we want to multiply. Then we will enter the sign for multiplication and select the second number. All that remains is to click the Enter button. And as you can see, the numbers are multiplied. Now we want to extend this formula to all the fields we want. To do that, we will click on the field in which we typed the formula a little earlier. We will go to the bottom right corner of this field and click and hold. After that, we will drag to the fields to which we want to apply the same formula. It's all like hundreds of numbers are now multiplied. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more office tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.